Alright, tubes, this is going to be, well, this won't be the last thing we're going to install in the car because we have a few other things, but this is going to be, for now, until I get my other parts, the last thing for the rear end of the car. This is actually our trailer hitch that we're going to mount to the frame, and we'll be able to tow stuff with the Lincoln Town Car. Because, well, I should explain one reason why I'm putting this on here. The main reason is next spring we're going to be taking the engine out of my truck and rebuilding it, but I need a way to transport the engine to the machine shop. So if I put a trailer hitch on my town car, I can put the engine in the trailer and then tow the trailer with the car. So this is getting put on there. And also, if I decided I didn't want to drive the truck to go get something, I can just use a town car. With that being said, we're just going to get this up in there, see how it fits. And I think we're going to have to do a little bit of trimming where the bumper, there's like a little piece of plastic that goes right here on the bumper. Might have to trim that, but I got the wannabe Dremel for that. Yeah, so I don't think there's much else to explain. The other thing is, this also makes for a jacking point, so you can put a jack here or here and lift the car up that way. So that's another plus about this. So anyways, this is just the Curt. I forget the part number on this one, but this has got the 2-inch receiver. All my other Stingers are 2-inch. So we're going to roll with that. I'm going to get some tools together. I think we're going to off camera just fit this up in there and see what we're looking like, and then we'll come back with the camera and show you what things are looking like. So anyways, we'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Now, loosely following the instructions on this, but this is where I got this guy sitting. It's the bolts pretty much need to be closest to the middle of the frame, or actually closest to the middle of the car. That's where I got this one right here. I think this is the ones I wanted closest to the car, to the inside of the car. And then it should be the same for this side. I might need to move this one back a tiny bit because I think I'm a little far back on that one. So we'll go something like that. Yeah, I'll just measure it real quick. So I'm gonna mark where I'm putting the bolts, where the holes are gonna be drilled out, and then we're gonna do a 3-step, 3 drill bits. The final size is a 1/2 inch. All right, we're gonna go for the first hole here. We're gonna go with what does this say? 5/16. Yeah, buddy. Drilling through a weld and a couple of different, 2 pieces there. Hot, nice hot metal shavings just dripping on my arm. Okay. This will be fun. Hey, where are you going? I don't know which way I'm supposed to go. Alright, here we go. That went better than I thought. Kind of scary, but you just get it going and just bam. Gotta love nice sharp drill bits. And when you're doing this, hold the end here and just get it going, and that way you have less chance of it going like that and breaking your wrist. So now, let's see if the bolts fit. And they just barely make it. I'll have to, you know, work them again. So, anyways, that's what I'm gonna do for the other side, and then we get the fun part of. So you take, you know, one of these, and then you take this fish wire, wrap it around. I believe this end actually. So I think what we'll do is you actually fish this up through the hole, and then it goes up through the big opening in the frame. And then yeah, you just thread this on here, you know, all the way. There, and then you should be able to pull through the frame. So I am going to make those holes just a little bit larger so I'll be able to fit this through there. And then the other one at the end of the frame, it pretty much just drops through because there's nothing enclosing it. So that'll be easy to do. It's just the rear ones are a little difficult. So we'll be back in a moment. So this is where I drilled the holes. These ones here are a little sketchy because you have a shock right here, so be careful of that. But I was able to get this in. The other one I had to clearance the hole just a tiny bit to get this to go in, but otherwise they're pretty equal on both sides. Same with the back ones. The little fish wire thing they give you, which has this piece, you stick up through here, run it through the back, and it comes out here. And then you thread your bolt in, and then you pull it right through, and then it just drops through the hole. So now we're going to put the hitch up, and we're going to get the hardware mounted. I'm going to put there's two wedges. One's going to go here, one's going to go on the other side. We'll put those in, and then we need to put the spacers in here. I'm going to space this out by one on each side because there's this little weld lip here, and then we'll have the wedge in here, and the thickest part goes back this way. So that's what we're going to do, and yeah, we should be able to mount her up. It's like, watch out guys, Adam's here.
Oh, there, get my note.
When are you cutting off the Lincoln there? You know what I would.
Oh, I'd like to be cutting the exhaust off, but I'm not really into that.
That just sounds like excuses, Jerry. Alright, so that thing's going here.
Okay, Tibbs. We're cutting some plastic off. Look, this is already broken right here. And that's broken
split
here.
in half.
I wonder if I just
cut the whole thing off.
down.
I think you
Yeah.
should. Ray has a great idea.
That scared me. Okay.
You got on the rock out too.
You see on the side over there?
That's nice.
It just kissed blind.
I just exploring.
Now you should be wearing safety glasses.
Now,
Because
shut up.
I heard when those could fly into my face. We got it on video, but it was bigger.
Where'd the thing go?
It blew off. Here we go, Tibbs. Noise alert. Well, there's my height hitch. It's solid. All right, Tibbs, what's next? Oh yeah, we gotta go get stuff to wire up trailer stuff. So
Ooh, that stinks.
that'll be another video, guys.
There I go.